excited to share with you my box, Lisa Snowdon X Correxiko. This is full of some of my favorite products. Let me show you. So inside we have got marine capsules, 120 of those. You have got your marine powders. This is in a brand new recyclable pouch. We have got high strength ultra omega-3. Love these pills. To make everything easy, we've added a little super scoop and a super whisk as well. You also get a recipe book with lots of amazing ideas and recipes designed by Rosie Millen, who's a top nutritionist. And by adding the scoop, which is the equivalent of 2 tablespoons, it makes it easier to use your collagen, along with the whisk for whisking it up. So I want you to promise to use this box for 30 days consistently. All of your omegas, all of your collagen, take it properly. Any menopausal symptoms, lackluster, glow on the skin, and that sort of dryness, hair loss, lack of shine. I promise you after 30 days, you will notice such a big difference and you will be hooked. It's usually 120 for this big bundle, but you can have it for 59. Enjoy.